Let's perform a quick cleaning cycle of the Sage Barista Express Impress. First we put the 1 cup filter into the group head, snap it in. Then we put in the rubber cleaning disc. And then we put in a low cost cleaning tablet, which are these, which you'll find a link in the description. These are amazing, much cheaper than the Sage ones. And then we lock it into place. And then we make sure that this is empty, the drip tray is empty, and the water is full. And then, once that's in place, we turn the machine on in a special way, pressing all 3 buttons at once for 3 seconds until it turns on and activates the Sage Barista Express Impress cleaning cycle. So let's do that now. So we press all these 3 buttons together, wait for 3 seconds. And that activates the cleaning cycle, and you'll see the cleaning cycle light is on. And this takes about 5 minutes, so we'll put the camera down and come back in 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, now the cleaning cycle is finished, we're going to make sure the tablet's completely dissolved. Yep, that's good. If it hasn't completely dissolved, put it back in, turn the machine off, do the cycle again, turn it on, and do another 5-minute cycle. If it has completely dissolved, then we take off the rubber disc, then put it back into place, and then pour a double shot through, put something under to catch it, pour a double shot through just to flush out any cleaning solution left in. And once that's done, then your machine will be completely clean and be good to go. Remember, there's a link in the description for the cheap tablets that will clean your machine really well. Fully recommend these. Link in the description, a lot cheaper. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and have a great coffee.